Hello everyone. Today we are here to review this guest paper of Vinod Publications. Its name is Understanding the Learner. It's fully solved guest paper. It's a Punjab B.Ed semester 2 guest paper of bestseller. It's a bestseller guest paper of Punjab University Punjabi medium guest paper. It's as per the new syllabus pattern, and it has 100% sure success rate. So Vinod Publication is the most trusted education publishing firm of India. So let's have a quick review of this guest paper. It's as per the new syllabus prescribed by Punjab University Chandigarh, and semester wise its units are mentioned, like semester unit 1, nature of learning as a process, outcome, characteristics and factors affecting learning, theories of learning, stimulus responses, theories of learning, trial and error theory, then transfer of learning, types, theories and educational implementation. Then unit 2, intelligence, meaning, theories of intelligence, measurement of intelligence, then emotional intelligence, concept, dimension, role of teacher in promoting emotional intelligence, then creativity concept, difference between creativity and intelligence, and identification of creative child, and methods. Then unit 3, personality concept, determinants of personality and development. Then mental health, meaning, importance, causes of mental health, improvement of mental health of children. Then motivation, meaning, types, techniques and educational implementation. Then unit 4, education of the children with special needs, meaning, types, identification and intervention, gifted, delegants and educational backward. And then uses and competition of measures of central tendency, mean, median, mode. Then measures of variability and coefficient of correlation by rank, order, difference method. So you can check this out, that all 4 units are completely given. Syllabus is mentioned in both the languages, in both English and Punjabi language, to make it comfortable for both English readers and Punjabi readers to understand it. So the matter is also very well explained in the book. From every question, very well highlighted, and things are properly discussed in detail. Points are highlighted in both English and Punjabi language, so that even if you are easy in reading Punjabi language, you can still buy this book and easily understand everything. So it's also for both English readers and Punjabi readers, because the things are highlighted in, questions are highlighted in, points are highlighted in both Punjabi and English. So this is a very good part of this guest paper. Most important, very important questions are also very highlighted. Questions are every type of question is given. Very nice guest paper, very good guest paper till the end. And in the back side of this guest paper, B.Ed textbook semester 2, B.Ed guest paper semester 2, 5-in-1 B.Ed guide semester 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 semester of Punjabi, Hindi and English medium, 5-in-1 semester 2 are also given. Punjab University Vinod Publication, you can check them out and also buy it. And price of this guest paper is just ₹99 only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon also. You can buy it online, or you can also call them directly at 9218-219218, and the guest paper will be delivered to you within just 3-4 days only. You can also buy this guest paper offline from any available bookstore nearby your location, whichever has B.Ed books or guest papers, at just ₹99 only. You can go to their Facebook, Twitter and YouTube and check out other books and other guest papers of Vinod Publications. You can go to their website at www.vinodpublications.com and check out other books and stuff. You can go to their email at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com and check out other and if you have any inquiry, and if you have any complaint regarding any book or any guest paper or this guest paper, you can go to their helpline email ID at help@vinodpublications.com. So buy this guest paper online on Flipkart, Amazon, or call them directly at 9218-219218, or buy it offline from any bookstore. It's your choice at ₹99 only. So 99 for this Understanding the Learner guest paper, Punjab B.Ed semester 2 bestseller, Punjab University guest paper of Vinod Publication, which is the most trusted educational publishing firm of India. I highly recommend this guest paper. You should definitely buy it. Thank you so much.